In combined variation problems, we have more than one variation that's being described within the situation, and we need to remember the types of situations that are set up by the words of the variations that we've already looked at: direct variation and inverse variation and joint variation, if that's in the problem as well. And then just keep working on the same expression using the correct operations to represent the type of inverse or direct variation or proportionality, if that's the wording that they use, that's described in the problem. So here I have my n varies, and then they give my description. So n is the letter that's before the word varies, before the description, so that's the letter that's on the side of the equality by itself. On the right-hand side, I have to remember the k, the constant of variation that's implied within these ideas of problems, and then do the correct operations within this right-hand side by the variation that's described. Now the first part is inversely with, so I know when it's inversely, I divide the constant of variation by what follows: inversely with the square of m. So I'm going to divide by m squared. And means keep reading, there's more to this combined variation problem. And directly with r. Now remember, direct variation, you are to multiply your k by that variable. So when they're talking about the whole process of it, directly with r will give me a multiplication of r in the numerator to represent this. So n is equal to kr divided by m squared is the equation that will represent this combined variation sentence.